The Pixii API designs A+ content automatically, 0 prompts. Let me show you how. I've got a little CSV here with the ASINs that I need A+ content for. I'm going to go to Claude Code and say, use the Pixii API to generate content. Use the CSV with the ASINs. It takes about 2 minutes each. In the meantime, Pixii will do customer research. It's going to analyze your reviews, your listing, your brand, the top 5% of your category, and build you some beautiful A+ content. Man, I love AI. I'm not technical, and here I am using an API. So Claude says that it submitted 3 ASINs to Pixii to generate A+ content. It's going to do it in parallel, which is great. So it only takes 2 minutes. For each one, Pixii returns a job ID so that Claude or your code or your SaaS can just check that job ID whenever it wants, and it's not sitting there wasting tokens, constantly checking for if the images are ready. Those 2 minutes, Pixii's doing a day worth of work. That research I mentioned earlier, it's super important to get good creative that converts. He says it's done. 40 production-ready assets in 80 seconds. Okay. It saved it to my folder. Let's look at Liquid Death. Nice. You'll see we get the big image as well as the 6 separate slices that are ready to upload to Amazon. There's Stanley. Looks great. Stanley Mobile. We'll zoom in. Excellent. Dr. Squatch. This is fantastic. Raise the bar, upgrade your shower routine. Coconut, wow. Just for context, Pixii returns this result as a public URL, and then you use that URL to open in the browser or download it somewhere on your computer or wherever you want. You can also flow it into your SaaS app or any of your other workflows. Finally, you can create at scale at pixii.ai, pixii.ai.